Why does it work? Because it trains everything at once. Your ears, listening carefully. Your mouth, pronouncing clearly. Your rhythm, sounding natural. And your confidence, speaking without fear. Let me break it down step by step so it's easy to follow. How to shadow like a pro. Choose a short video or audio, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Start small. Maybe a YouTube clip, podcast, movie dialogue, or speech. Play one sentence at a time. Pause. Repeat out loud. For example, the speaker says, "I don't believe in luck, I believe in hard work." You pause. Then you say, "I don't believe in luck, I believe in hard work." Try to match the same tone, emotion, and speed. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. Don't move forward until you feel the sentence is flowing from your mouth smoothly. Record your shadowing. Compare it. Repeat. Yes, you can even go one step further. Record your shadow version and compare it with the original. What does shadowing teach you? It teaches your mouth how English feels. It helps you stop translating. It teaches you the natural rise and fall, the music of English. Think of it like this. When a dancer learns a move, they copy the choreographer step by step. When a singer trains, they match the tone of a great singer. Why should speaking English be different? You're not just learning words. You're learning expression, rhythm, and confidence. So, choose topics you love. If you love movies, shadow dialogues from your favorite film. If you love business, shadow motivational speeches. If you love storytelling, shadow audiobooks. Because when you feel something, you remember it. The more you enjoy it, the more you improve. Practice 4. Tell stories out loud. Real or imaginary. Now let's talk about something so powerful that it not only improves your English fluency, but also your imagination, confidence, and expression. It's called storytelling practice. You simply tell stories, out loud, by yourself. Let me explain why this is so powerful. When you tell a story, you don't just speak. You express emotions. You use past tense, future tense, and present tense, all in one. You describe actions, places, people, feelings, and thoughts. You automatically practice grammar, vocabulary, tone, structure, without thinking about rules. So, how do you do it? It's very simple. You don't need anything except your own imagination and your voice. Here are some powerful ways to practice. Tell a real story from your life. Example. Last week I went to the market. It was raining. I didn't have an umbrella, but I needed to buy vegetables. Keep going. Talk about what happened, what you saw, what you felt, what you did. I couldn't believe it. I told my parents and they were shocked. Create drama, emotion, surprise. Why? Because when you speak with emotion, your memory becomes stronger. And when you speak with creativity, your confidence increases. You're no longer just speaking English. You're living in it. Tell a story using a photo, memory, or object. Look at an old picture. Hold an object in your hand and tell the story behind it.